Hey, what's cracking, everybody? Happiness pro tip today is for all you parents out there, because I've realized a lot of you don't know how to use this to increase your happiness. So start here. You got to remember, your job is not to raise your kids. Your job is to enjoy your kids. And the kind of happiness that kids bring, I've found, is kind of like a fog happiness. Like it is an overall life pervasive happiness through every part of your life. But it's not always like when you're cleaning up crappy diapers, that doesn't always feel happy. So sometimes it's easy to get caught up in some of the stuff you're supposed to do or you think you're supposed to do with kids. So here's a simple way I figured out to enjoy your kids on a lifelong level. And that's this. This is what I do. I got 3 kids and I fill their life with so much fun stuff that they'll just forget about anything else that in life, because the weeds grow automatically. If you don't intentionally every single day find something fun to do with your kids, get off the kick of like, you got to go to homework, you got to do this, you got to do that, you got just make the objective, the primary objective is to have fun with them every single day, and it will increase their happiness and make you a good parent, but it'll also increase your happiness. Don't get stuck in the idea of that you're supposed to control them or do anything like that. And you know where I got this idea, and I didn't realize it till I had my own kids, but my parents did an amazing job at this. I don't know if they were even knew how good a job they were doing it, but I remember when I grew up, man, we went in the summers, we went camping every week, boating every week. We went to tractor pulls, we went to sports shows. My dad took me hunting, fishing. Every single week, it seemed like there was something we were doing, which at the time I thought that's the way life was. But now that I try and execute some of that shit on my own, I realize that is a lot of work. And when I look back on my childhood, it's all I remember. I mean, of course, you know, we had, I was a DNF student the whole way through. There was a lot of challenge, a lot of issues I had with authority. Well, none with my dad's authority, but with other people's authority. You know, my parents weren't perfect. They smoked a carton of cigarettes every night right there in the living room. So it wasn't like they set out to be these perfect parents. But man, when I look back, I had a great childhood because of one thing. They just loaded it up with a lot of fun shit to do. So that's what I'm going to do for my kids, and that's what I encourage you to do for your kids. Remember, your job is not to raise them. Your job is to enjoy them. And in order to enjoy them, fill their lives with good shit. They won't even remember anything else. That's how you live the good life as a parent.